guys, welcome back to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Please do take a moment and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. It will really mean a lot, guys. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you the super easy gold eye makeup with smoked out olive green liner. It is very easy to create, guys, with minimal products. And if you're interested in knowing how to recreate this, then please keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with this Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend that well. You can use any light concealer, and I'm going to set that with some Colourpop setting powder in the shade translucent. And for this eye makeup look, I'm going to use a palette by Lakme. So this is the Desert Rose palette. I'm going to use a beautiful golden shade. I'm going to apply this with my fingers first, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid. So once I'm done, for the edges, I'm going to use a nice flat shader brush, and I'm going to reapply that gold over the edges. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use this Bahama bronzer by the Balm cosmetic. You can use any bronzer, and I'm going to use as my crease shade or the transition shade. So I'm going to apply that well till I'm happy with the way it looks, because I need a well blended beautiful crease. Now I'm going to reapply that golden shade for that added sheen on my eyelid. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use a beautiful olive shade called Enchanted on a angled brush, and I'm going to create a winged liner, a sharp winged liner with the eyeshadow. So first I'm going to carve out the way I want my liner to look like, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to use a small tiny brush so that I have a good color payoff, and I'm going to dab that shadow over that liner like so to get the maximum intensity from that eyeshadow. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use this NYX concealer in light and orange by LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to use that on my under eye dark circles. I'm going to use my finger to blend that, and I'm going to set that with some concealer. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Definer in Cherry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. For my under eye highlight, I'm going to use LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend that well with Nykaa blender. Set that with some translucent powder, and with the same small definer brush, I'm going to carve out my cat eye kind of look, like that Arabic style eyeliner look. I'm going to carve out that inner corner like this, a pointed inner corner. I'm going to slightly bring it on my lower waterline as well. I'm going to use Mary's Luminizer for my brow bone highlight and my inner corner highlight. For the Kohl, I'm going to use Maybelline Gigi Hadid's Kohl, and I'm going to use it on my upper and lower waterline as well. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use the same bronzer shade on my lower waterline like this, and I'm going to blend that well. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to use Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara. I'm going to add coats of this mascara. You can go ahead and falsies if you would wish to. And guys, you can use any eyeshadow for this eye makeup look, not necessarily olive green. You can use black, brown, maroon, anything. And this is the final look, you guys. Very easy and quick and simple at the same time, but looks very classy. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. It will really mean a lot if you would hit that subscribe button. And guys, there are many more videos on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to check that out. And until next time, take care. Bye.